Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with DocuSign for electronic signatures, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with DocuSign for electronic signatures, start by creating a DocuSign account. Visit the DocuSign website. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Choose a plan that fits your needs. Fill in the required information such as your name, email, and password. Agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Log in to your newly created DocuSign account. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the New button. Click on New to create a new document for signing. You will have the option to upload a document from your computer. Select the file you wish to send for signature. Make sure your document is in an appropriate format, such as PDF or Word. Once uploaded, click Next to proceed. Now, you'll need to add the recipients who will sign the document. Enter the recipient's name and email address. Specify the order in which they should sign, if necessary. Click Add Recipient to include additional signers. After adding recipients, click Next again. In this section, you will drag and drop signature fields onto the document. Choose the appropriate fields such as signature, date, or initial. Position them where you want the recipients to sign. Once you've placed the fields, click Next. Review your document to ensure everything is correct. When satisfied, click Send to deliver the document for signatures. You will receive a confirmation that the document has been sent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.